Alright everybody, today we are going to be trading some crypto, and we are trading altcoins. What I've been doing, and I kind of like, is going on Crypto Market Cap, which has almost 20,000 cryptos, and just picking kind of a random one that's done fairly well recently, and we're going to practice trading it. So let's see. Wow, that's a fun one right there. We've done stepping. How about NEXO? Is that rank? It's the 65th largest coin in the world. I've never heard of it. Alright, so we're going to bring up the charts. Not NEXO. NEXO. That's a good one. And, let's do like 15 minutes, I guess. 15-minute NEXO. Alright. And, yeah. So let's just scroll back in time. This is going to be kind of janky. And we're going to pick a random spot, kind of, to just start trading at. What we're going to do, we're going to add up the wins and add up the losses, see what the ratio is, see what the daily average is. This is the win percentage expressed as a percent. This is like my score. That's like a solid B right there. Then we're going to do a 1-year estimate of how much you'd actually make if you're able to maintain this rate, which sometimes can be a lot. 1 year. Alright. And, I don't really know where to, like, do this. Maybe right there. Yeah, it's looking pretty blocky, which is what happens when you have something with low volume. But I'm doing this to challenge myself. Alright, so let's go. This is not doing anything. This is pretty wild, honestly. Man, that's pretty weird looking. I'm gonna go for it. Alright, let's go for 95% or so. Looks like it got stopped. By the way, the middle line's the stop loss. Yes! Now, something to note, this is very conservative because when I'm actually trading, you can feel when some momentum is happening. And like, I probably would have gotten more out of that. But we're using conservative estimates. Gonna get another drop down. Nope. See, to explain something, a lot of times when you get a big drop like that, you're tempted to hold on to it, which wouldn't have been that bad because it landed here. But it looked like it was butting up against these areas where it stopped before, so that's why we didn't do that. Let's see. I don't think so. Yup, it rebounded. Now we might have something. I broke through a lot of key levels. Let's at least just kind of go for it. This is a red, green, red. Let's go like there. One more. Alright. This is pretty weird. That is... Actually, we're still gonna call it... Yeah, okay. Yep, so let's call that 120. That kind of sucked. Should have gone for a bigger price target on this, honestly. Alright. Let's just... Let's do one here. Yeah. 8. 8-0. Let's let it... No, I'm not letting it ride. Well, I should have. Man, is that increasing volume? Yeah. How much is this? 43 to there. I'm not gonna actually go for this, but let's just see what happens. Dang it. Should have went for it. I bet it bounces a bit down. Okay, maybe not. What are we doing volume-wise? Okay, there's the bounce. If we get another big spike... Huh, yeah, the volume is so small, it's just really, you can't even see anything here. Maybe I should have gone for a short there. I don't know. Let's see if we get another big red. Nah, ADX ain't looking good enough. Wow, that's really something to look at. That is not something you see on a normal chart. Why can't I enlarge these? Okay, that doesn't make sense. I feel like it's going to go up. I don't know how to interpret this kind of thing. This is pretty strange. Alright, well, that is probably something to go off of. These are pretty weird readings. Alright. 33. Getting things a little better. Let's see, I don't know. Yeah, glad I didn't go for that. That breakout, yeah. Red, green, red. I think I'd be crazy not to at least give this a shot. We're going to try for... Maybe we'll try for that. Stop loss middle line. Like where it was. Alright, so that's pretty weird. So it probably actually got stopped out there anyway. We kind of weren't listening to ADX like we should have. It was just going off of candle patterns, but this ADX was flat. Okay. I should have made the stop loss there. This is the weirdest chart I've ever seen. Alright. Let's go for 126. Middle line is the stop loss. Okay, well that's pretty good. 59. Maybe I should have held on. Alright, if we go... No, we're going down. Alright. This is really debatable, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wager 13 against that much. Alright. Huge counter trend thing. 29. Seen it a million times. I don't know what to do with this. Let's wait for the ADX to look good. Nope. Okay. Got a cross there. I'm not liking... how much would that have been? Okay. That's pretty good. Perk through these. Let's say the stop loss is... How are we doing? No, I'm not doing it. I was gonna make that the target. But the party might not be over. Yeah, I don't think it is. Alright. Let's zoom out a little. Yeah, it's way below these levels and stuff. We are going to... We're going for that. Middle line stop loss. Okay, now we're getting out. That's 0.1%, which is not that bad. Yep. Get another push down. But I'm not liking the oscillator. It's real weird trading something like this. Got increasing volume. Feel like we're gonna hit that yellow line. I would have gotten out at this point if I had taken that. Let's just wait for some good ADX action. This is a very bizarre thing. Man, why can't I zoom in on the MACD? Let's get some Fibonacci's out. Alright, I'm gonna say we're risking that Fibonacci for that Fibonacci. And it didn't really do it. So we'll just get out. 14. Ooh, this could go way up. We get a pop up. No. If we had gotten a pop up there, I would have been pretty into it. Okay. Last time it did this, it went down a whole bunch. I think we're gonna do some Fibonacci stuff. We're gonna go there for there. So it was right at the top of that candle. Lost 0.2%. Not my favorite. Do we do it? This looks like a pretty strong counter trend movement. Let's go for that. Alright, I'm cutting my losses. Yep. Is it gonna go down again? Nope. This is very weird trading this. These are not organic looking lines. We're gonna get pop up. Huh. What do we really think is going to happen here? I'm going to do a Fibonacci. This is pretty strange. Let's do that for that. Yes! Yeah! Got the full thing. It's only 74, but whatever. Alright. What do we do now? I'm going to say we're going to risk that for that. And let's do it again. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. One more. Alright, we'll get out there. That's kind of a sign of weakness. 50. 50. And this is not adding things up properly. Alright. Okay. See it? With it being so blocky, it's a little hard to interpret what this means. But the oscillator is not really... Yeah, see, I thought that could have been a bump, but just... I don't know. I don't regret it. Let's see if we get a clear bump out of this. Not really. I got a cross there. If this was farther away, maybe I would try to short it. And we've got another bump. How much is this? 19. I will go 25% for that. Oh, not bad. 25% to get 50. Not horrible. Alright, this is probably going down. We're gonna get another bump? Nope, not really. If this goes red again, and it didn't. Yeah, this is wild. This is like trading alien currency. This is kind of uptrending. I don't know. No, I'm not doing it. It's probably going down again. No. So you gotta be careful. It's just real hard to know what it's really gonna do. It sounds like a basic thing to say, but it's true. I would have liked the oscillator to be crossing closer to this. It did kind of bounce off of that. What are we actually looking at here? I didn't really click the right thing, but nah, I don't like the volume. Now that is no, I don't like the oscillator for that. This could be something. Screw it. No, let's Fibonacci this biatch. I'm going to say that Fibonacci for that Fibonacci. It's technically kind of hard to know which way it went first, but it got stopped out. I'm just going to say the second one. We lost a little bit. 3-7. I think we're going to get a correction. Yeah, I don't even know how to read stuff like this. Like, what do you do with that? The oscillator doesn't even know what to do with data like that. Down. No. Okay. We do have cross there. This is getting flat. I want to remind everybody, this is a weird thing to be doing. Alright, stop loss, say at the middle line. Yeah! $1.50! We get another green. Alright. For this, risking 3-1 for that. And, I'll take it. Down to the yellow line. Thought about actually doing it. See that on the corrections sometimes, but I don't know. I just kind of don't do that anymore, honestly. The volume data is so hard to read. Let's go 27 to there. It's clear that it's not going anywhere to me. That's 10. Some of these real small ones with fees, you're kind of not even making anything. Yeah, this would have, I forget where I said my stop loss was. Maybe, I think I said middle line. Alright, let's see if we can get by with one of these. Let's say half half of this to there. Yeah, okay. 3-3. Alright, that's probably good enough for today. Yeah. Alright, so win to loss ratio. It's 3. It's not the worst, not the best. Oh, I forgot to put how many days. It's the 15th. Let's see if we can just eyeball it. It was like beginning of February, wasn't it? Let's just say, I don't know. I'm trying to recognize something. It feels like it was around, feels like, oh, I remember, it was a little after, no, it was like a little before Valentine's Day. Let's say the 12th. These 15-minute charts, I don't know, this could be wrong. So that's 3 days. So that's 158 per day, and win percentage. All right, 158. So that's 78 times 3. 158. Yeah. Let's 158 divided by 2. 79 times 3. 237 per day. I could have gotten this wrong, but 2.37 per day. Calculate it. $51 million a year. Alright. There you go. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks.